If you are new to paying with Bitcoin, I'm here to quickly help show you how to set up an account with Coinbase so you can start making purchases with cryptocurrency.
And then how you can use that to pay on buyourmodafinal.com.
So, let's get started. First, you're going to click on our referral link, which will bring you to the Coinbase Signup page. Using the referral link is great because it will give you $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up using it. This is where you'll need to input your information, like your first and last name, email address, and a password. Then, once you're done putting in your information, click on Create Account. You'll get a verification email to your email address that you signed up with. So be sure to check your email inbox and click the link to confirm your email address, where you'll be redirected to the next step to finish creating your Coinbase account. First, you'll need to put in your phone number. This is so Coinbase can have another layer of security when making large purchases, for instance. Once you submit your phone number, it will send you a text message with the verification code. Just put that code into the website to move to the next step. Now that your phone is verified, you'll need to submit some additional information to create your profile, like your legal name, birthday, and address. This next step is important, where you'll need to verify your identity and upload a photo of a piece of identification. Now, the type of document you need might vary from country to country, but for me, I'll be using my driver's license. As you can see, it is giving me multiple options, but I'm going to select driver's license. And you may need to allow the website temporary access to your webcam to be able to capture a photo of your ID. Then, just follow the instructions to take a snapshot of your ID. Once you can see a preview of the document and you can see that it is readable and clear, you can submit your document. Once you submit your document for identity verification, it may take a few minutes to process and confirm your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll continue to the payment screen. Some of these options might be different based on what country you are in, but here in the United States, we're going to put in our card information. So, now that you have your payment details entered, we are ready to buy Bitcoin. But your account will start with a pretty low buying limit.
Since I know you're looking to spend more than what the limit is on buyourmodafinal.com, let me show you how to raise your limit.
First, go to the Coinbase dashboard, click on Settings, and then click on Payment Methods. Then, click on the Add Payment Method button and add a bank account. This will raise the limit on what you can purchase with your account. Then, just put in your bank account information and click Add. If you aren't sure about the information for your bank account, check your bank statement or get in touch with your bank, and this should be able to help you get the information you need. Next, there will be a couple of options to verify your account based on where you live. One option is that Coinbase may need you to send a small amount to them to verify your account, or Coinbase may deposit too small amounts into your account for you to verify your account. Either way, just follow the on-screen instructions to finish verifying your account. It is important to keep in mind that this step may take a few days for the funds to be transferred, but buyourmodafinal.com will still be there once you have your Coinbase account ready. Okay, it's been a couple of days and we verified our bank account.
Now it's time to shop on buyourmodafinal.com. So today we're going to be purchasing the Mod Vigil and Art Vigil Saver Combo Pack. First, we'll go down and choose the 500 tab pack and click Add to Cart.
But you can always buy more if you want. Then, click View Cart and click Proceed to Checkout. Fill out your billing details and select Bitcoin as your payment option.
This will automatically get you a 31% discount on your order. Once you click on Place Order, you'll be directed to a screen with buyourmodafinal.com's Bitcoin wallet information. Just send the required amount of Bitcoins to the wallet manually,
or scan the QR code with any Bitcoin wallet app. It's as simple as sending an email. Once you've sent your Bitcoin amount, just click the button that says, "I have sent the payment, please process my order."
Then, buyourmodafinal.com will verify that the payment was received,
and shortly after, you'll get your product in the mail. It's that easy. If you have any other questions about placing an order, feel free to get in touch with our support, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.